Okay, so here's my second gen Toyota Tacoma. Just put this cheap Chinese grill guard on. Not the best looking grill guard, but hey, it was cheap, and that's what this truck's about. This truck's mainly a farm truck and a hunting truck, but I could not find directions online on how to put these together. I'll link which bumper this is, but you want to make sure those bolts down there, that's what it connects to, them U-bolts onto the steel push bumper, even though this is a plastic bumper. But I'll put some more pictures in there. That's the easiest way to describe how to put this bumper together. All right, so right here, this is the bracket. You want to tighten those two bolts down. It's going to have one on the other side that goes to that aluminum sub bumper right there, and then bolt the bottom one to the actual bumper brush guard itself. Now, these parts, they were in the package. I have tried. I cannot figure out where they go. My bumper did come with some pre-scratches. I'm gonna fix that up, just swap the headlights. I'll do a video on the progress once I get some rims installed, but this is the cheap grill guard.